For the last few months, whenever we are opening newspaper, often we see news about this company is firing 100 people, that company is firing 1,000 people, and the conclusion drawn by the reporters are this job loss is because of AI. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Amit Ganguly here. And from my 30 years of experience in the IT industry, today I would like to talk something about why this job loss is happening and whether AI or artificial intelligence is really responsible for this job loss or there is something else. Let's talk. First of all, I personally, from my experience, don't believe that AI is the only reason for job loss. Yes, new technology has come, and because of that, there are cases where people are working, or especially the software developers who are working in the traditional or old technologies, their kind of work or job getting redundant, and that's how, or that's why people are losing job. Let me give an example. Let's take the time machine and go back, say, 15, 18, or 20 years back. And if we see, in those days, mainframe was the talk of the town. Everybody talks about mainframe. Mainframe technology is the most important technology. People who are having mainframe, various different mainframe skill, including COBOL, DB2, and so forth, they were considered as blue-eyed people for the organization. But now, where mainframe is, it's nowhere practically. So if I am a developer, if I am a techie, and if I do not upgrade myself to the new technology, do not brace myself for the new upcoming technologies, then yes, I will have a risk. So same thing applies for AI also. Yes, AI changes the scenario a lot of areas. So we need to brace for this. We need to upgrade. We need to learn new technology. We need to be equipped with, say, Gen AI and all these areas, which will help me to be ready for the current technology or the future technology. And of course, in that case, early adopters always have an advantage, get an edge over others, and we will be in a pretty good position. Second case is, suppose if I am working as a L1 tech support or a customer support person. Yes, in that case, there are reasons for me or people like me to be worried. Because if you see, most of the portals, now they have something called a chatbot, where as an end customer, we can put our queries, put our problem statement at it, and it tries to give the solution. Again, if we go a little deep into it, try to understand what this chatbot does, and as a traditional tech support or customer support, what we do. Both the cases, we rely on the data set, the information that we have. If this error occurs, in that case, somewhere it is written that this should be the options, right? So as a tech support or a customer support, in those cases also, as a human being, we also used to refer those documents and give the solution. And AI or the chatbots, I will not call them AI, chatbots also does the same thing. Yes, if my job is like that, in that case, there is reason to worry. Now, there are cases where some human touch is required, some emotional part is required. Now, these chatbots or these AIs lack that area. So, as an individual, as an employee, I need to figure out what is the unique selling point to retain my job, how I can retain my job, what are the areas I should do so that organization or even the end client will feel that no, AI or the system or the computer cannot take over human being completely. There is always a scope for where a human being or the human interaction will be important or will play a pivotal role. So in these cases, I need to understand, figure out what is the areas where I should focus. Also, subsequently, I need to upgrade my knowledge and skills so that I can move to L2 or L3 support areas where definitely human beings are required. So that's all for now. That's all for today. We will come back again soon with the next set of information where we will talk about what all other things, we should do, how we can secure our job, secure our position, and all these areas. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.